In this video, let's talk about the course cards section and why it's one of the most visually powerful ways to showcase all your courses in one clean, organized layout. If you've got more than one course on your platform, this section is a must. It displays each course as an individual card, giving visitors an instant overview of what you offer. Think of it like your digital course shelf. Each card automatically pulls in key details from your course setup, like the course title, price, language of instruction, duration, number of lessons, and even a short description. It's quick, visual, and super easy for your potential students to scan. And here's the beauty of it. Every course card comes with a View Course button that links directly to that course's sales page. So when someone clicks it, they're taken straight to the page where they can learn more or even enroll. Now, why does this matter? Because it helps your visitors discover your full course library at a glance. If they land on one of your custom pages, maybe from a newsletter or a social post, and they only see one course, they might miss the rest. But with the course cards section, you're putting everything front and center. First, log into your course platform and click on the Page Builder tab. Then click on your home page or the landing page you want to edit. Locate the course cards section under Page Settings and click on it. Type in your course card title and subtitle. You can also change the colors to reflect your brand. Click Add New Course Card under the Course Cards tab. You'll see a list of all your courses. Just check the boxes next to the ones you want to include. Super easy, right? As you're selecting, your changes will show up instantly on the right side of the screen. Click Save once you're done. You can edit the button by clicking Edit this item. Then go ahead and change the text. Add a URL to your course page and customize the background and border colors. Then click Update to save your changes. You can also add new buttons as you need them. Want to make it more eye-catching? Hop over to the Design tab and customize the layout. Not happy with the colors because they don't align with your brand? No problem. You can change the page background color, card background color, course title, description text, details color, course price, discounted price, and the price tag background color. This section works especially well when paired with the bundle details section. So if you've created a bundle, you can show off all the individual courses that are included using these cards right below it. Bottom line, course cards don't just organize your content. They help your students explore more, find what fits them, and take that next step toward enrolling. All right, that's a wrap for this section. See you in the next video.